Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic digital tools for productivity. Introduction. In a world full of distractions, digital tools can help you stay focused and increase productivity. Discover the best tools for the job. Benefits of productivity tools. Productivity tools help you manage time and tasks more efficiently. They can reduce stress and increase focus. Collaborations tools improve communications and teamwork. Top 5 productivity tools. Maximize productivity with these top digital tools: Todoist, Trello, Slack, Google Drive, and Forest app. Stay organized and focused. Comparison of features. Trello is a great for organizing tasks and tracking progress. Asana offers a range of features for project management and team collaboration. Notion is a versatile tool for task management, note taking, and project planning. Implementing productivity tools. Time management apps like Trello, Asana, and Rescue Time can help you prioritize tasks, stay on track, and monitor progress towards your goals. Note taking apps. Evernote, a versatile note taking app that allows you to create, organize, and sync notes across devices. It supports text, images, audio, and more. OneNote, part of the Microsoft Office suite, it's a powerful digital notebook for taking notes, organizing information, and collaboration with others. Notion, a flexible all in one workspace that can be used for note taking, project management, knowledge base, and more. Google Keep, a simple web based note taking app that integrates with other Google services for easy access and sharing. Task management tools. Todoist, a popular task manager that helps you organize and prioritize tasks, set deadline, and collaboration with others. Trello, a visual project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks and projects. Asana, a comprehensive task and project management tools designed for teams to track work, set goals, and manage projects. Microsoft Planner, part of the Microsoft 365 suite, it's a task management tool that integrates with other Microsoft apps. Collaboration platforms. Microsoft Teams, a communication and collaboration platform that integrates with Microsoft 365 for chat, video conferencing, file sharing, and project management. Slack, a team messaging app that offers channel direct messaging and integrations with various productivity tools. Zoom, a widely used video conferencing and virtual meeting platform for webinars, team meeting, and collaborative discussion. Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, includes tools like Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drive for document collaboration and real-time editing. Project management tools, Basecamp, a project management and team collaboration platform that offers to-do list, file sharing, and message boards. Jira, a tool primarily used for software development, project management, including issue tracking and agile development. Monday.com, a work operating system that enables teams to build custom workflows and track projects, tasks, and processes. Cloud storage and file sharing. Google Drive offers cloud storage and document sharing, including Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides for collaborative editing. Dropbox, a popular file storage synchronization services with collaborative features. Box, a good content management platform for secure file sharing and collaboration. Communication and video conferencing. Microsoft Outlook, an email client with calendar and schedule features for efficient communication. Skype for Business, a communication and video conferencing tool for business integrated with Microsoft 365. Cisco WebEx, a platform for online meeting, webinars, and video conferencing. Thank you for exploring the world of digital tools for productivity with me today. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.